I actually lost more confidence through YouTube than I ever expected. I'll spend hours making a video and finally upload it, but no one would watch. I'll scroll through other YouTubers and think, how are they so good in front of the camera? Why do they look like they're having so much fun? If you click on this video, you're probably working hard on YouTube too, or you're trying to achieve some kind of goal in your life. So today I want to share the walls I've hit over the past year and the journey I've been on. Hopefully I can help you to reach the moment of right, I can do this. Actually, I want to keep going. I want this video to bring up your enjoyment, your confidence, the things you really need to keep moving forward. For those who are new here, I'm Megumi. I was born and raised in Okinawa, Japan. I love language learning, but I'm not the best at studying in a normal way, so YouTube and Netflix have basically been my teachers. Right now, I've passed 1,000 subscribers. Thank you so much for your support, always. But I'm stuck on the next challenge, getting 4,000 watch hours. And honestly, that is a massive goal. If you've done YouTube or even tried it once, you know exactly what I mean. There are days when I just sit there and think, why am I even doing this? Or is this really good enough? To be fair, I still think that sometimes. But when I look back, when I first started a year ago, every time I got even just one new subscriber, I was so happy and it made me want to work harder. Also, when I hit 1,000 subscribers, I remember feeling like I was celebrating the whole day. And yet now, here I am again, facing another huge wall. It feels tough, it feels tiring, but the truth is, walls appear everywhere. Not only on YouTube, in life, in anything we care about. And we have to face them. Sometimes we even need them. People always say things like, once I hit 1 million subscribers, everything will be easy. Once I speak Japanese fluently, I'll definitely be happy. Of course, it's not that simple, but something I've realized after seeing so many different people is this. They all have their own walls. No matter how successful they look, there's always another challenge ahead. So what is important? When I really thought about it, only one thing kept coming to mind. Enjoy where you are right now. Try looking in the mirror and saying with a smile, thank you for today, I can do this. Whenever I'm facing something tough, I always do it. Because when we are anxious, all we think about is what we can't do. And honestly, I've never achieved a goal when I believed I couldn't. But when I truly believed I could, I always did. Of course, I say all this, but I'll still have days where I'm like, oh, not today. And I do absolutely nothing and I binge anime all day and I feel guilty at night. But when I meet people who inspire me or listen to someone who gives me confidence or simply just smile at myself in the mirror and say, I can do it. And suddenly I start to believe it again. And there will always be people who say things like, that's too hard. I think you should quit. It's just a waste of your time. Maybe it's the people around you, or maybe it's that little voice of fear inside your head. But listen, you can do it. Anyone can. There's a quote from one famous Korean person saying that on TV show, 우사인 볼트가 세계에서 왜 제일 달리기가 빠른 사람인 줄 알아요? 끝까지 가기 때문이에요. Do you know why Usain Bolt is the fastest man in the world? Because he ran all the way to the end. So let's run to the end together. I'm sure you overcome the wall you think is too high right now. And one day you look back and think, wow, why was I so worried about that? Please share what you're working on in the comments or on my Instagram. Hearing about other people also working hard, not only me, it really motivates me too. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you have a wonderful day and see you in the next video. Bye bye.